has collapsed in the Sabzi Mandi area following heavy rainfall. 5 fire tenders reached the spot to conduct rescue operations. The house collapsed in the Sabzi Mandi area close to Ghantaghar near Robin Cinema. We have also reactions coming in from the residents of the area. Listen in.
सारी बिल्डिंग है, सबके ऊपर नोटिस लगा हुआ है एमसीडी का।
हाँ।
और इनको हिदायत दे दी गई थी कि ये बिल्डिंगें खाली कर दो या इसको सही करवा लो।
अच्छा।
मगर इसके बाद बावजूद भी ये लोग नहीं मानते।
अच्छा। और
बारिश के चक्कर में हादसे होते रहते हैं यहाँ पे। एक 1.5 साल पहले की बात है, लाला लक्ष्मण दास की ये बिल्डिंग गिरी थी पूरी। बहुत लोग इसके अंदर सबके मर गए थे।
2 बच्चे
2 बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे थे सुबह मॉर्निंग में, और वो सबके मर गए थे।
अभी क्या
घटना भी 1-1.5 घंटे पहले की घटना है। और ये इससे पहले भी यहाँ के सारे जितने भी बिल्डिंगें बनी हुई है पुराने टाइप की बनी हुई है। इससे पहले यहाँ की बिल्डिंग गिरी थी रूबिन के सामने, और अभी यहाँ की बिल्डिंग गिरी है। अभी 2 दिन पहले जो है ये पीछे भी छज्जा गिरा है।
हाँ।
वही पुराना वाला छज्जा जितने भी है सारे कमजोर हैं, सारे यहाँ के कोई ना कोई गिरते रहते हैं।
सर कितने आदमी दबे होने के?
एक आदमी दब रहा था, वो निकल गया है और अभी कुछ पता नहीं है। उसको अस्पताल लेके कुछ पता नहीं है हमें उसके बारे में क्या है, उसको लेके गए हैं और बाकी के तो बलवा हटा रहे हैं वो।
With me, Arzu. Of course, heavy rainfall in the national capital late last night. If you could take our viewers through the impact that it has created. Of course, we're learning at this point of time that a house has collapsed near the Sabzi Mandi.
Well, yes, it's probably, a lot of damage has been happened due to the heavy rainfall done for in the national capital in the late evening yesterday, and also house collapse in the Sabzi Mandi area near the Ghantaghar, and also the call that were received by the fire services was around 8:57 when the fire tenders, around 5 fire tenders were rushed to the spot to rescue, and in fact they have found one person who was stuck under the debris. He was seriously injured and has been admitted to the hospital. In fact, no such loss of life has happened, but also there has been a lot of damage because the house was collapsed, so all the things was got damaged. And in fact, not only this, but also the several trees were also got down during the heavy downpour, and in fact 100 millimeter of rainfall was received in just 1 hour. So that have created a lot of damage in the national capital. In fact, right now I am at the ITO and also would like to show you the visuals from this particular place. You can see how the water has been gathered at this particular place. The vehicles you can see have been submerged in water right now. The situation every time we see when there is a rainfall in the national capital, such images come, such visuals come, and now also this can be clearly seen the failure of the government. No proper drainage system here, and due to which not only at ITO but at multiple places in the national capital the situation remains the same. In fact, if we talk about the place which has been in the news since several days, which is Old Rajendra Nagar, there also we have seen yesterday also knee down water, knee deep water was there, and now you can see a bus has also got stuck. The smoke is also coming out of that particular bus. So all these things are right now happening in the national capital. So this is the orange bus that got stuck in the water, and also the smoke is coming out of that particular bus. So all these things, these problems, the daily activities has been affected due to this waterlogging at the several places in the national capital. So this is the situation of the capital of the India, and you can see how the deep water has been gathered here at the ITO and several places in the national capital. Yes, it's Sabri.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.